This will be one of the juiciest reductions that you've ever seen. You got sine 1 over 4, 2 cos squared 15 minus 1 over tan 38 times sine squared 412. So the first thing to do with any question like this in trig is to try reduce. And so I'm going to be thinking which quadrants these are all in, whether they're plus or minus. So sine 104, that's about there. Sine's positive, and I'm always going back to the nearest x-axis. So I'm trying to get back to the nearest 180 or 360. So that's positive sine 76. This, my brain immediately starts buzzing because it's one of the cos double angle identities. So the answer will just be double this angle. So it will be cos double that angle, which is cos 30. On the bottom, there's tan 38. I can't do too much with that. So let's not waste lines. Let's do something. So it's cos 38 over sine 38. And sine squared, I've gone all the way around, so I just minus 360 from here, and that just leaves me with sine squared 52. At this stage, it can seem like all these numbers are completely unrelated, but the whole time you're looking for double angles, compound angles, and so if you're thinking like, and co-ratios, and if you're thinking like that, sine 76 is actually just double 38, and so sine 76 can become the double angle expansion. And so sine 76 here, I've just worked it out on the side of the page just to make it easier to see. Cos 30, again, let's not waste time. That's a special angle, and so I can just write immediately what that is. So it's root 3 over 2. Sine 38 over cos is nothing I can do because everything's becoming 38, but again, let's not waste time. I'm just going to tip and times. I'm going to bring it to the top so it flips around. And lastly, how is this related? Oh, it's a co-ratio because 52 and 38 adds up to 90. So sine squared 52 can just change to cos squared 38. When you're writing your exams, you don't want to waste time by doing one alteration every single line and writing everything else out. One alteration, writing everything else out. That's often where you lose a lot of time in exams. The sine 38 here will cancel with the sine 38 at the bottom. The cos 38 is cos squared 38, and there's a cos squared 38 at the bottom. So all of those are gone. And the 2 at the top will cancel with this 2 at the bottom. And just like that, there is your tasty answer.